clearing up what happened during the first 5 minutes.
What do you do? What do I do? What do I do first when I do this? What do we always do first? Because what do we do first? Is that the closest, or are the two that we throw around? 50. We're guessing first, right? Alright, somebody tell me what 50% of 150 is. Carlos? 75, very good. And what's 10% of 150? Isa? Isa? No? What's 10% of 150? 15, thank you. So, does anybody want to tell us their guess for what 35% of 150 is? Henry? 52? Alright, good guess. Alright, now how do we figure out if that is the right answer? Digna?
35 over 100
35 over 100
equals x over 150.
X over 150. Very good. Now what do I do?
Times 150 over 1.
On both sides, right?
And do 150 and 100 divided by 50
Divided by 50.
equals 3 and equals 2.
Very good. Can I reduce that anymore?
35 and 3 and 35.
So what's 3 times 35? Isa?
What? 105.
105. Very good. Although you're not Isa. Over 2 equals X, right? So let's divide it to see if we got the right answer, right? Let's write it as a decimal. So I put the 105 in the inside. 5. 2, thank you. 52.5. Henry, your guess was very close. Alright, good job. How do I do number 2? What is an estimate? Gracie? It's something you guess, right? It's a guess. Very good. An estimate is a guess. Okay. Let's go over how do I do number 3? Genesis. Alright, I'm going to do the opposite, right? X divided by 4 over 5 times 4 over 5. 325 over 100, because you changed it to a fraction. So we get X on this side. And how can I reduce that? 100 is 25, and this is 1. What else? With what? 5, 5, okay. And that becomes 1. What's 325 divided by 5?
65.
Yeah. Very good. Now, 13 over 5. Very good. This is very good. All right. Estimate 5% of 320. Gracie, 21. 21. How do you do that? What two numbers did you use?
I used 50 and 10. 50%. 100 and 0.
10 and 0. 10% and 0%. What's 10% of 320? 32. We just moved the decimal point, right? What's 0%? 0. So then we want 5%, so we want somewhere kind of in the middle. And you guessed 21. That's a pretty good guess.
I think that is 16.
You think that's 16? I think you're exactly right.
Yeah,
Because why?
it's a half of 10%.
Because it's a half of 10%.
So
Very smart. Right. Exactly right. Very good. But any guess between What else?
5, 25,
5. By 5, okay, and you good?
1,
By 25? And 1, and 2. What else?
1, 6,
By what?
3, and 1.
Very good. So 3 times 1 is?
3,
And 1 times 1 is?
1.
3 over 1, which is the same as just 3, right? Equals x. So she gave 3 cookies to Mr. Tim. Yes? Okay. We need to make our goals for the week. Do you know what's your goal? 11. Lisa?
10.
Okay. Margarita? Okay. Calm down, guys. Everybody else? Milton? What? Okay. Missing a lot of you. Jamie? Hazel?
Me, my number was considered and doing all the papers.
I know. Carlos?
11.
11.
9. No, 10.
I already said 11. Susan? 7. Animal. All right. Now, do you guys remember when we did word problems in a group and then we taught it to the class? You remember that was fraction? We're going to do that again. With percent word problems. All right. I need you to get in the following groups. Yes, you will still say lunch. And you're going to practice what you're going to say and how you're going to teach it. And then tomorrow you will teach. Yes? All right. Yeah. So, give the people I tell you to get. Marisol, Isaac, and Genesis. Hey, I didn't say the top. Milton, Jamie, and Dulce. Margarita, Carlos, and Gracie. And Henry and Dana. Get with your groups, please. Get with your groups. Now, today. Alright, I'm going to hand you your word problem. You need to figure out how you're going to teach it and what the answer is first, right? Alright.
Here's some different groups.
I